Oh my God. Hurricane season, boys. Well, it's lightning.
Because they're far away.
Whoa.
It's not that far away.
What? Go close, we're over here.
Oh my God. You can just see light coming out from some.
This is not good, kinda, you know.
Oh wow.
This is dry thunderstorm. The dry thunderstorm is very, very, very not good. To make a lot of fire.
Because it's so
Whoa.
humid. There's so much water in the air. It's not dry. Like that one looks cool because you get a little bit of sun.
Yeah. Whoa. That was crazy.
Look like somebody put
Boys, we're gonna sleep over at my grandma's house. And this is happening right outside. Oh, you guys probably can't see, but there are mice in that plant. I don't know if you guys can even see the plant, but you could, and you definitely couldn't see the mice. But there are two cute baby mice in that plant.
And they show delight me.
I took a picture and I'll make it the thumbnail. Yo, but oh my God,
This is over
it's
there.
crazy.
highway lights. Yeah.
Why didn't I get off today? Whoa.
But look, in this
Wow.
side,
See that, Jamie?
this side.
That was huge.
Stop.
Yo.
That one went up instead of down.
Lucky.
Yeah, this-
Looks like Siren Head.
Sky is
Oh my God.
Yeah, because you can see the stars.
clear. You see
Boys.
the-
Oh, yeah.
Oops.
on this
Almost stepped on your plants.
Oh, see that?
Yeah. Whoa.
That's cool.
That's not cool.
I'm surprised it's not louder yet. It's gonna get loud as it gets closer.
There's gonna be thunder, and I'm not gonna be able to sleep.
I can't tell which way it's moving.
Alright, don't worry. If you're scared, come can
No, I'm not scared. It's just gonna be boom,
No.
bomb.
Let me take the shoes.
Look at that. Holy. Power line right there.
Oh, there's the thunder.
Whoa.
It's like staying in
Yeah, there's thunder all the way back there. That's crazy.
If I look in on this post,
Oh, wow.
The clouds aren't moving.
I'm gonna go inside for a sec.
and if you look in on the line,
And yeah, I'm at my grandma's house. We're gonna have a sleepover here without my brother. Because he hogs up my grandma.
Who are you talking with?
Oh, I'm just making a YouTube video, Grandma. Let's do a house tour. Here's this room that has a couch. There's another room with the couch. This room has a TV. That room has a TV. This room has an exercise bike and pictures of my dad and my aunt. And probably my mom. Not my mom. My grandma and my grandpa. Just note over there is my grandma's room. We're not going to go in that. Here's my favorite place. I'm joking, but this is the kitchen. And then here's my actual favorite place. It's the closet of shame. There are snacks in the closet of shame, which is why I enjoy locking myself in here. All right, that's enough. Yes, it's the closet of shame. And there are snacks in it. Now we have a plant. My grandma has a lot of plants. Plant. You guys couldn't see it because it's insanely dark out there, but my grandma has a lot of plants over there. Let's go show you another plant. Plant. More plants. A lot of plants. Plant. I don't know if there are any plants in my room or in here. No plants. Lamps, though. And then this big thingy that always is in the corner. It can be any corner, but it will be in that corner. Or any corner. Then we have my room, or where I'm staying right now. We have a closet. Not going to open that, because not going to open that. And we have the most nifty thingy of all time. It's a printer. Then we have little me. And then we have Luna. Rest in peace, Luna. Good dog. All right. Hit the bathroom. Have the laundry room. I hid behind there once. Or twice. We have a closet. All right, let's go back out to the thunderstorm. Let's check it out. All right, be prepared to see darkness. All right.
You missed a really good one.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, whoa, that one was really good. Holy.
Yeah, keep it over there. There's been some good ones.
Yeah. That's mad. Was gonna do a Fortnite video because there's a new season, but I think watching lightning is better than that.
See, they're still high up in the ponds.
Oh.
They don't make it all the way down.
Oh.
How much energy this? Somebody know how to harness this?
No, it's.
What if someone touched it? Like they would get burned so bad, or shocked so bad.
Yeah, this cloud, it's like it's the same shape, right? It hasn't
Yeah.
even budged. It's so weird.
Okay, come on. Can we see some more? Oh, whoa.
That was a good one.
Whoa.
I think it's getting closer. It's definitely getting brighter.
Earlier we saw a dog out there, but now it's probably inside. Look at all those lights. Not lightning, but lights. Whoa.
Lightning storm.
Yeah, it's like no rain.
That's pretty cool. Oh, that was sick.
Yeah, they're all behind these clouds, these front clouds.
These clouds are like the front lines, except they're tanks.
Yeah, this is definitely coming this way.
Oh, there's one out there.
Wow.
So if it was to rain, then would rain be inside here? Because
Yes.
Grandma has screen
Yes.
windows? Yeah. Oh my God.
It's raining. If it's raining, it's everything wet here.
It sucks.
Good thing it's not raining.
Yeah. Or else we probably would have been
It's
soaked.
not even that windy. It's not
No.
a little breeze, nothing. It's so weird.
That's why the clouds, they're not moving.
Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna cut the video off here. But yeah, see you guys later. Peace.